I just found a bird's nest. Low battery, cool. Oh my gosh, there are literally eggs in it. I think those are robin eggs. Okay, let's just check for bugs. What is that? Okay. Okay. Should I do it? I'm scared. I don't know, there could be bugs anywhere. Oh, God. I want to remove this. No, that'd be kind of cruel. That'd be removing their protection. Does this mean I'm protecting birds here? Like I'm actually giving them a home here in this case. I don't really like being up here due to the population of wasps and bees. And just bugs in general. That is, I mean, that's pretty interesting.